Wait, we're shooting a video?
Yeah,
I was just drinking something and I was going to get something to eat, but I guess I'll come and shoot the video then. Oh, and I was watching Bro, so you subscribe because we make videos every week, so let's do this. Today we're going to be doing a hydro dipping video, and let's show you what we have. We have my Pew Pew machine. We taped the trigger, taped the thingy, taped this, which is broken, so it's breaking even more. And then this is a paper holder thingy. It's for my mom's birthday, which is January 19th, tomorrow for us. And I don't know about you, but I don't know how this is going to work out.
No, it'll be fine.
This is my iPad case, and just to make sure, I'm going to tell you, this is my actual iPad case, so no fake. This is my dad's old phone case, so it's real, just not like, he's not going to use it. And an Easter egg. It's going to be a little hard to see, but green Easter egg. Let's see how this turns out.
Yeah.
We have these colors, and then we also have this.
Why do you got that?
So we have to put it over like this when we spray the stuff, because I have a bad smell thing, and it's not good for me. So
Well, everybody should do that though, right?
Yeah.
Because you don't want to be breathing in the fumes from this paint.
yeah, so
wear a mask.
yeah, be careful. And we gotta spray the primer on first, and it's gonna be like 2 hours for it to dry. So bye. All right, we're back. The priming's done, so let's get ready to hydro dip. So first of all, we're gonna use the white and gold to hydro dip my iPad case.
All right, and I'll put it in.
Okay. Take
And I'll
the white.
spray it.
Jeez.
You ready? Back up.
Oh wow.
Whoa, that was cool. Come here, kid.
Ready?
Yep, try it. That's good. I'll pull her out.
Oh. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is what has happened to my iPad case.
It looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it does. I like how
That's pretty
the...
neat.
Huh.
I like it. I like it. All right, let me grab a rag here.
My hand. It's paralyzed.
Paralyzed. There we go. What we'll do is we'll just put that in there. Suck all that up like that. Very good. All right, what are you going to do next?
Let's do the phone case.
All right. My phone case.
Your phone case. Oh, your old phone
My
case.
old phone case.
Oh, iPad case. You will be okay, my friend.
You will be okay. Don't worry. All right. So that white didn't really. That white was a little crazy white.
Yeah. But the gold actually looks cool.
Yeah, the gold looks really good. I like that gold.
Wrong way.
All right.
Back I go.
Ready? Set.
Spray.
Go.
Spray.
Ooh, these are pretty
Oh,
cool.
purple. Lunch bunch.
Crunch rules. Oh. All right, kid.
Okay.
Right
in the middle. Oh no.
Oh, I got sinkage.
Oh wow.
That's cool. Look at that.
Jeez.
What do you think?
Awesome.
You like that, huh? Ooh. That looks good. That's a
so
pretty
does
one.
my hand.
So does my hand.
Wait, this one does.
All right. Now, last but not least,
My mom's present.
Your mom's present for tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yes.
Tomorrow.
Which sadly she has to work.
That's okay. That's okay. Give me.
I stand back.
Stand back, Jack. Red, white, and blue.
If you don't know, the Americans fly colors.
Very good.
That's a fact. Oh, and also, I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but subscribe.
Yep, exactly. Oh, I like that. I like that. Where's your thing? Here it is. All right.
Uh-oh.
This is going to be a little bit different. Right there.
Let's just hold it.
You got it?
Uh-huh. Take. Oh,
Oh, that's pretty cool.
uh-huh.
Look at that. Look at that little thing. That's pretty neat. All right, let's put that down there, and we'll show everything. Show everybody what you got here.
Including my hands.
Painted hands, nothing better than painted hands. Oh, you do got painted hands. And the little spirits. All right, let's see, kid, come here. Let's see
Yeah,
what you
this
got.
isn't very good.
Your
That's
hands aren't as pretty as this.
hands.
All right, so let's see. So your iPad case, what do you think? Pretty neat? Pretty neat?
Comment down below if you think it's neat.
Yeah, send them a comment. Let's see, now what about my phone case? My phone, which one do you think? I like mine. I like my phone case.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. I don't know. Which
Or
one do you
mom's
think
present.
better? Yeah, I think our phone cases are better.
I don't know, I like mom's.
Yeah, the color spread it
present.
around a little bit.
Well, and that's a tough one because that's all mesh there. Look at it. So let me see my phone case.
The phone case, I like the big purple and the...
Maybe mom can put that on her phone.
Oh.
I don't know if I'm going to be walking around with a purple phone case, kid. Bro-roo! All right. I like it. Well, what do you say?
Well, that's cool. And Burrow out. So this is the finished product of the iPad. I don't know why, but there's some blue dots. I really don't know. See, and this is my actual iPad. And yeah, how do you think it looks? And then here's my mom's gift for today, her birthday. It holds papers. You already know that, but I was just saying that. And the bottom of it is like really like tie-dyed for some reason. It looks more tie-dyed than hydro-dipped. But it turned out pretty cool. So did this. And then here's my dad's phone. How do you like the case? It's still not fully dried, but we put it on because even if it does break after this or gets spray paint on it, he's not going to use it. So remember to subscribe, and yeah, that's all I have for both of these days. So bye.